Spanning over 40 hectares, this mega shipyard is home to the largest private yacht hull ever constructed.
Easy now, keep it steady. All right, all clear.
Laser alignment shows 0 deviation on the starboard edge.
Thickness confirmed at all points.
All green on the monitor.
Inside the massive shipyard, the robotic beveling machine grinds a precise shape into the 12-ton steel plates.
Check the readout on Sector 4.
Looks good. Tolerances are green. Go ahead and engage the forward clamps.
Maintaining 30mm depth, heat gradient stable.
Confirmed. Proceed to the next section. These 500-ton mega blocks must align with absolute precision before the joining operations can begin.
Maintain speed on seam 4. Watch the thermal gradients on block 12. Over. Hold at 10 meters. Watch the alignment on the starboard side.
Copy that. Adjusting starboard. We are clear for final descent.
All right, team, easy now. Bring her in 5 meters.
Confirm. Moving to position.
Looking good on the starboard side. Clear to proceed. Alignment check green on section 4. Copy that. Confirming position. Section 4, Bravo, clear.
Copy that. We are green across the board. Moving to the next position. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Okay, slowly bringing it down now. Clear below.
Checkpoint 42 clear. Coatings are precise.
Confirmed. Final approval granted on Section 3.
Checkpoint 42 clear. Coatings are precise.
Confirmed. Final approval granted on Section 3.
Final measurements confirmed. The foundation is ready for engine placement.
Easy on the port side. Bring her down slow. We are almost there.
Confirmed. Lowering tension now. Alignment holding steady.
Tolerances are stabilizing on the axis.
Confirmed. Engaging hydraulic wrenches now.
Sequence complete. Alignment confirmed.
All right, lift the green line 5 meters.
Copy that. Lifting now.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Did you verify the circuit numbers on level 3?
Yes, Foreman, they're all checked and secured.
Hold it right there. We've got the bolts started. Okay, lowering the lift slightly. Check the gasket seal.
Looks solid. Move to the next flange.
Sequence start confirmed. Monitoring engine RPM.
Electrical load is steady. All parameters in the green. Test successful.
All readings are stable and within tolerance. We are clear for activation.
All stations, this is launch control. Final safety check complete.
Roger that. We are green across the board.
Copy. Final clearance issued. Proceed with launch sequence.
The launch cradles disengage beneath the waterline, allowing the massive 10,000-ton hull to achieve full flotation.
Tug 1, this is the deck. Clear to proceed to waypoint 2, maintain current thrust.
Rudder response is stable at 15 degrees.
Confirmed. Heading change aligns with predictions.
Vibration levels are stabilizing at acceptable parameters, Chief.
Noted. Log the results for the 20 RPM test run.
Already done, sir. All systems green.
Stopping distance confirmed.
Within specification, noted.
Sound levels are well within the target range.
Vibration damping is exceptional across the deck.
Confirmed. The sensors are barely registering.
Bridge to shore. Sea trials are complete. All systems fully validated. Returning to port.
Tug 1, reduce power to 5%. We are approaching the fenders.
Copy that. 5% approaching fenders.
Take the slack on line 4.
Heaving in!
2 meters more, then hold.
Cross-referencing the sea trial data now.
Everything looks nominal. Pressure steady at 50 bar.
Good. Let's sign off on this section. All systems checked and operational?
Yes, ventilation and lighting are fully calibrated.
Excellent. Final readiness confirmed.
All stress tests are verified. Signing off now.
The independent survey is complete. Full clearance granted.
Excellent. This 10,000-ton hull represents the pinnacle of marine engineering. We've utilized advanced...
It is my distinct honor to hand over the hull of Project 1002.
We accept the delivery with great anticipation.
This interface manages the primary safety and ballast systems. Ensure you cycle through the emergency shutdown procedure visualization on the auxiliary screen.
Radio check, channel 16. How do you read?
Loud and clear, Captain. Navigation systems report fully calibrated and stable.
Throttle engaging to 50%.
Confirmed. Rudder response is optimal.
System stable. Ready for return to neutral.
Affirmative. Good run.
Bridge to dock control, training vessel ready for departure.
Roger that. Cleared for undocking maneuver.
Tug 1, commence gentle push to starboard. Roger that, commencing push. Bow is moving clear.
Maintain pressure at 50 psi.
50 psi, acknowledged. Bridge, come right to 090.
Right to 090, aye.
The welding metrics improved by 15% post-training.
Yes, the ultrasonic tests confirm that.
Excellent work. The objectives were clearly met.
Vessel declared fully operational.
All parameters are green on the final checklist here. The rudder mechanism passed stress tests yesterday.
The acceptance documentation is complete.
Very good. We hereby accept the hull.
With the lines cast off, the massive vessel finally leaves the safety of the shipyard for the open water.
Maintain RPM at 75%. Check the coolant temperature on Auxiliary 1.
Auxiliary 1 temperature stable. Logging now.
Look at the consumption metrics here. They match the design targets exactly.
Excellent. The stabilization confirms our projections for the long haul.
The culmination of a decade of design, the world's largest private yacht sets sail. A true marvel of marine engineering.
The culmination of months of fabrication, the 10,000-ton hull begins its long-duration endurance voyage across the open ocean.
We anticipate crossing traffic in 2 hours and keep a close eye on the radar.
The engine room is running smoothly.
Very well. I relieve you, Captain.
Scene 90 highlights the extraordinary stability of the finished hull, a testament to precision manufacturing. Cross-referencing the ECDIS with the radar overlay, we are dead on track.
Confirmed, Captain. Navigation accuracy verified.
Readings stable across the board.
Confirmed. Vibration levels nominal.
The trend lines have stabilized right on target.
Excellent. Fuel consumption is optimized.
Bridge, this is the deck. Confirming new heading 180. Endurance trial complete.
Course steady, traffic clear ahead.
Confirmed.
Look, you can see the lighthouse already. Ah, yes, right on schedule.
Roger that, Harbor Control. We have updated our course to lane assignment Charlie and are reducing speed to 8 knots. Entry coordination confirmed.
All tugs, maintain current heading. Speed reduction is nominal.
Pressure stabilized at target levels. Chief, cooldown sequence proceeding nominally.
Acknowledged, engineer. Log the sequence and secure the console.
Well done.
10,000 tons of marine-grade steel, a testament to industrial mastery.
This panel controls the auxiliary power systems. The updated schematics are linked here.
Understood. The maintenance schedule is fully integrated.
Yes, it is.
Scan complete for the starboard stabilizers.
Confirmed. Moving to the next crate.
Confirm system status.
All levels nominal, sir. Filtration is green.
Data logged. System health confirmed.
Welcome aboard, everyone. We are so glad you could make it.
The yacht is beautiful. Congratulations on the launch.
The culmination of years of work, the vessel begins its new chapter. The culmination of years of work, the vessel begins its new chapter. The 10,000 tons in hull, forged from marine-grade steel, showcases unparalleled long-term The post-delivery operational monitoring period has begun. The vessel maintains a constant heading with a clean, symmetrical wake.
Engine diagnostics look good, but we have a spike here on the vibration chart.
Acknowledged. Sending the encrypted stream now. Control to shore, data package 2 is live.
The real-time analysis confirms structural integrity across the entire hull. All readings are well within the design parameters.
Inspection complete, all readings stable. See the log update.
Roger that. Thank you, Chief.
That's the historic landmark I was telling you about.
It's stunning. It's stunning. The architecture's beautiful.
What a view.
Angels. The engine performance metrics are exceptional, truly exceeding expectations for a vessel this size.
Targets confirmed. All systems green.
Excellent work. We are validated.
Propulsion and efficiency are stable. We have validation.
Confirmed. The whole design performs as expected.
A testament to industrial mastery, this vessel represents the pinnacle of scale and precision on the open sea.
That's it.
The efficiency curves have stabilized exactly as projected.
Excellent. Fuel consumption is well within the baseline.
All readings are stable. Stress distribution is nominal.
Confirmed. Logging the values now. Structural integrity reaffirmed.
Range indicators are stable. Efficiency is exceeding projections by 10%.
Confirmed. No adjustments needed.
Everything looks completely clean down here, no issues.
Agreed. Logging it as confirmed, minimal maintenance required.
Scene 134, long-term reliability visual statement.
All parameters are well within stabilization margins. The archival is complete.
Confirmed. The data is locked.
Reviewing the welding parameters from block assembly, we saw significant improvement in Q3.
Yes, the new laser hybrid approach.
The tolerances here are tighter than expected, well within the benchmark standard.
Confirmed. The laser scan data matches the spec sheet exactly.
Exhaust treatment performance is holding steady at 98%.
Excellent. Regulatory thresholds are met.
The data confirms global operational capability.
The yacht is ready for worldwide travel.
The culmination of meticulous engineering, a 10,000-ton testament to maritime luxury, ready to sail the world.